Welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve this challenge, transform to words. So given a string of sentence without a space, we are asked to transform it into a array of words. Yeah. If there was space in it, you know, that's a different challenge on its own. So you could have something like this. This is pretty easy to solve. But today we're not going to be looking at this. This is much more technical because the spaces has been removed, so you can just use uh, the split method uh, to split it up. So what we're going to do here is now we're going to loop over the words. So firstly, we want to create an array, say const words array, and then we're going to loop over the string. For those of you who don't know, in JavaScript, you can loop over a string just as you can loop over array. So I'm going to change this here to string, these two elements. I like to shorten it, and then we want to also keep track of the words. We're going to create a variable inside the loop, which is word. So what we want to do now is we want to compare the first element with its equivalent capital letter, because what we can do is we can use the capital letter to split it. Once you got to a capital letter, what to do is you cut all the strings before uh, the capital letter. So when we get here, we cut this out. When we get here, we cut this out. This work out. When we get to E, we cut up out. So we must have a way of keep tracking what we've removed from the string, the position we are currently at, the position we are cutting it from. We must have a way of keeping track of that position. So what we're going to do is we're going to create another variable called position, initialize it to 0. So here we're going to now check if element is equals to str position I dot to uppercase. If this is true, then what we want to do is we want to update the word array to equals to str dot slice from left position to current position. So and what we want to do, we now update the uh sorry, it should be position, from the position to okay. Uh, Let me just rename this left position so that we can understand what is going on here. So this is going to be left position. We want to update left position here. Left position to equals to I. So after doing this, we still need to check if we're in the last uh if, if I is the last item, then we want to splice from the left position to string dot length. So what we'll do there now is say I if I is equals to str dot length minus 1. So we say what we update what to be equals to str dot slice left position comma str dot length. So after doing this, then we need to also check uh, if is word dot length is greater than 0, then we do what? We push it into the array to what array? Then dot push dot push word. So after doing that, we can now come here and return what array. So let's see. Hopefully there's no error. Yeah. So you can see the output here. I woke up early this morning. I went straight to the beach. So that about that. So see you some other time. There are still other ways you can solve the same problem, but I'll be sticking with this for this tutorial. See you some other time. Bye.